What is the name of the main character in Heathcliff cartoon? B. Heathcliff. In which comic strip did Heathcliff originally appear before getting his own cartoon? B. Peanuts. What type of animal is Heathcliff? B. Cat. Who is Heathcliff's girlfriend in the cartoon series? B. Sonja. Where does Heathcliff usually hang out in the cartoon? A. Alleyway. What is the name of Heathcliff's owner? B. Riff Raff. What is Heathcliff known for in the cartoon series? A. Playing pranks. What color is Heathcliff's fur in the cartoon? B. Orange. What is the name of Heathcliff's best friend in the series? C. Mongo. Which studio produced the Heathcliff cartoon? B. Dix E Entertainment.